The wise farmer. In a small village, there was a farmer named George, who was well known for his wisdom. Every season, George's crops would flourish, while some of his neighbors struggled. One day, a young farmer asked him, "What's his secret to a good harvest?" George replied, "I learned long ago that the land gives back what we put into it. I take care of the soil, give it time to rest, and never try to make more than it can give. Nature has its own pace, and if we rush it, we might miss the beauty of the process." The young farmer listened carefully, realizing there was more to farming than just planting seeds. The lesson started with the young farmer, who began to treat his land with respect and patience. Over time, he too found success in his harvest, and he understood the value of working with nature rather than against it.